Hey y'all, it's your girl Chenelle Beauty coming back again with another makeup tutorial for the eyes, and I'm doing a smoky look. So I'm taking my first brush and I'm going in with a very light brown color, and I'm going to put this color right in above my cut crease, and I'm just going to fade that in until it's pigmented to my liking. And yeah, so I'm taking it right above the cut crease. Just swiping it for the lighter color, since it's just pretty much like a transition color, and that is how it should look. Then I take another brush and I'm going in the same palette with a darker brown, and I'm putting that right on the cut crease. For this color, since it is a little darker, I am dabbing it just to get a better pigmentation. And then I kind of later on go in and swipe it a few times just to fade it out at like mostly the top. So as you can see, I'm swiping now the top part just to fade it into the lighter color that I just put on, and that is how it looks. Then I take a smaller brush and I go into my black shade on the same palette, and I'm just dabbing that shade right on the bottom of my lid, and I'm just dabbing it from the middle and to right to left, left to right, and just putting it on until I feel like it's dark enough. So I'm also taking the same shadow and I'm going all the way up to my crease and my lid, so that as far as I will go as far as applying the actual shadow. As you can see, I'm very laser focused in this tutorial, trying to lay this eyeshadow. So yeah, now I take a very small brush, and I'm not going back into the palette, but I'm just fading out the shadow that I have on my eye with the darker brown and the lighter brown, and I'm just fading the black out so that I can transition well. Now I'm taking the second brush that I use, and I'm going into this MAC very rich chocolate color eyeshadow, and I'm going to be putting that right in my cut crease. So just like the one that's very similar to this color, I'm just going back in. It is closer to the black, so that's why I went in with this darker brown, and I'm just fading this out as well. Now I'm taking the lighter brush again, the first one that we used, and I'm fading the lighter shade back into it, because sometimes you will lose the original colors that you have. So you sometimes got to go back in just to make sure that everything is fading very nicely, and it's just transitioning really well. Alright, so I'm going back into the black eyeshadow, and I'm just putting more on my lid. I wanted it to be a little darker than it was. And then I'm taking this duo or dowel glue, lash glue that I got from Target, and it comes with a little brush like this. And I love this glue. I use it a lot for when I do the glitter looks and things like that. I don't use it for the actual lashes, but I'm just taking it, and since it does come with this very great small brush, I'm just literally taking it and just lining my lashes. I'm sorry, yeah, lining my lashes with it. Just like I would do eyeliner, and I'm an eyeliner girl, so I need my eyeliner. This loose glitter I got from a store called Agassi. It's like a woman's clothing store, and I love this glitter. It's a loose glitter. It's specifically for makeup, and I just take a little small brush that's very similar to the one that comes with the glue bottle, and I dip it in the glitter, and I literally just press down on that glue that we lined our eyes with, and the glitter just stays there. And I do that all the way down my eye, and as you will see at the end, it will have like a glitter liner. So I'm just adding more glue to finish the rest of the liner. Take your time, don't be super fast with it. This was actually my first time doing a glitter liner, so you know, I definitely tried to be very concise and careful with it, because glitter is very hard to get off your face, so you don't want to have it all on your eyeshadow and things like that. Alright, so I'm just finishing up the tail, and I went ahead and put on my other lash. Now I'm taking this very beautiful and nice Aaliyah eyebrow pencil that I got from MAC, and it's a very pretty plump color, a very pretty plump color, and I'm just lining my lips with it. I love that they did this collection for her, but I do wish that it was a little bit more products, but I think they were just like, you know, testing it out or whatever. But I do wish it was more products, because I think it came with like the liner. I think I paid $23. I got it from a MAC in Macy's, and I think it came with like a couple of lipsticks and maybe like one little palette, and that's it. But it's a really good pencil. So after that, I go in with this red lipstick. Not too sure, I think it's Profusion, but I don't know the exact color of it, the title. But I just take this and put this nice little glossy lipstick, well, put this nice little glossy lip gloss on my lips. And I will try to put this product down at the bottom, since I'm not too familiar with it, and the glitter. Maybe you can find it online. Agassi also have an online shop, so alright, so I am pretty much finished with this whole look. First time ever wearing a smoky eye, and I think I did a pretty good job. So I just want to thank y'all so much for tuning in to another makeup tutorial by your girl Chenelle Beauty. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I do have other videos on my channel, and just stay tuned for other videos that I have coming up. So make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell. Thank y'all so much once again. I'm just getting my motto on and I will check y'all next time. Stay beautiful. Bye.
On the beam. Real freak girls throw their hands on their knees. How you make up, leaving stains on the sheets. Queen of the Maybelline.